welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be doing another video. But today's video, I'm going to keep the introduction super short. I'm just doing a makeup look because I'm going out to eat tonight, and I just thought that I would film getting ready with me and also testing out a new foundation. So if you're interested in seeing what I came up with, then keep watching. Thanks guys. Gavin just decided to put the dog on my chest, so he scratched the crap out of me. I told him to play Alexa really loud so that he can't hear me talking. Anyways, so this is weird, but he scratched me so bad. I'm probably gonna get copyrighted for him playing that in the background. Okay, good, right? Okay, I had a Ulta gift card, so I went to Ulta. I got the Taint, I don't know how to say this, and I looked it up, and I'm not even gonna try because honestly, I just can't. Okay, I'll try. Taint Idol. It's like Idole. I don't even know. It's French or whatever. Ultra Wear. 24-hour color wear and comfort. Transfer resistant foundation. Here's what it looks like. Super pretty. Anyways, I've seen a lot of YouTubers use it. I've always wanted to try it. So don't mind my hair. I like to let it air dry. It's easier to curl that way because I get my natural curls in there. And my shirt's gonna annoy me this whole video. I don't know when this came out. I was trying to find it, but I can't. So that's okay. It also has SPF in it, which isn't something I need in a foundation, but you know, it's nice. I'm gonna try it out today. We're going on a date tonight to Texas Roadhouse, and I'm so excited. We also have a gift card there. So after I took my shower, I used the Mario Badescu spray, and then I used just a Clinique moisturizer, and I did that earlier. Now I'm going to use primer, so I use the Urban Decay Optical Illusion Primer.
In general, Vinny.
I look like a ghost. Thanks. Okay, let's try this. There's 1, 2, 3. I'm scared. I'm gonna need another layer. So far, I like it. Let's do some more. My skin has really not been my friend lately, so I don't want to talk about that either. I'm just using a towel to get it off my lips. Speaking of lips, I'm gonna put some lip balm on. I use this Hey Honey Shea Butter lip balm for dry and chapped lips. That's me. Holy, ow. Another side note, my cat's in heat and she's driving me crazy. Now I'm going to do my concealer. I have been using the NARS concealer. Also, I'm super excited because I went on Sephora because I got an email about like free stuff for my points because I have over 1,000 points. And when I got on there, I was like, heck yeah, I can get a ton of stuff. So I got a lot of stuff. I got like 5 things with my points, and I'm super excited. I'm gonna do a video when it comes in. But also, you had to buy something to get them, which was fine because you could buy anything. Like, it wasn't a certain amount that you had to buy. So I just bought the Huda concealer that I've been wanting to try so bad. So I bought that, and then I also got 5 other things and then 2 free samples of something that I got to pick out. So I'm gonna have like 7 things, and it was $30. I look scary. Now I'm going to set my under eyes. My Airspun powder. I always just put a little in the cap and sometimes I use my beauty sponge, but sometimes I use a brush, but I like it better with the sponge. And I'm going to do my eyebrows. I always use the Anastasia brow definer. I think that this color is too dark for me, but I just use it anyways. Because you gotta do what you gotta do, okay? I'm sure you're realizing how much I am thriving while watching this. I think I'm done. Just kidding. Editing makeup videos is so much harder than like my apartment tour video, because that was like super easy. And like when I do makeup videos, I do a lot of weird stuff that I gotta cut out just because I'm weird when I'm alone. See? Nobody wants to see that. Let's move on to eyes. I have this whole thing down here. Oh god, of all my eyeshadows. Two of my favorite palettes right now is the Morphe Jaclyn Hill. I have the Ring the Alarm palette, and I love it. And also the Norvina palette. I love this one. I wanted it so bad. So pretty. This is the Ring the Alarm. This is I use this for like fall colors. I love it. In my brush cup. Let's dive in. Okay. In the Norvina palette, I'm gonna start with this color. Starting with the color Base. Oh, I feel like I should zoom in on this part. Okay, here we go. Okay, Base, here we go. And now I'm going to go in with the color Incense. Next, I'm going in with the color Passion. So we're gonna try a cut crease. I'm not the best at these, so this will be fun. I'm just taking my Shape Tape concealer, and then I'm just taking a brush that's tiny, kind of leaves room for mistakes. Oh, here we go. Now I'm gonna try to go in with the color Wild Child. This is usually what I use, but I'm just not sure how it's gonna look today. I'm not feeling very confident, but we're gonna try. I use a flat-ended brush. I'm gonna try it first without spraying it, because I usually spray it, but since I cut crease, I might try just not spraying it. So for me, it's not enough. It's a little too subtle. You see, this is what happens. I try to be subtle, and then I get there, and then I'm like, more. Let me try to spray. So this is what I usually do. I spray it with Max Fix Plus. Just spray the brush. Guess what? That's enough for me. We're gonna get rid of this. I'm gonna take the other end of my brush and do the under eye. Okay, now I'm gonna bronze my face. Butter bronzer, my absolute favorite, and I'm almost completely out. Okay, please send help. To my Shade and Light palette, I'm gonna dip into the two darker shades here. So when I do a more dramatic eye look, I don't do a wing. I will just take the eyeliner and just do a line and not bring a wing eye at all. I don't know where my Stila eyeliner went, so I'm using my the Kat Von D tattoo liner, which used to be my favorite. Okay, and then on my eyes, I have this little white eyeshadow powder. Everything's rubbed off, so I don't know where it's from or what it is. And I just get some of it and I put it in the corner of my eye. I forgot to do my nose. I use this on my nose too. Mascara, my go-to, always use it. I've used it for years. Is the Lash Paradise. I get it at Walmart, Target, any drugstore. Okay, here we go. I have this e.l.f. It's a blush and bronzing powder. It's really old. So, I don't know if this is gonna look good. Last and the most important part, highlight. My highlight combo is always the Anastasia Glow Kit, and lately I have just been using the white. It's really heavy, I swear. Okay, the white shade. So first I use the white, and then after that I use the Wet n Wild highlighting powder. I'm gonna spray my face first. And there's that. Okay, I just wanted to pop back in and say that I did do my hair and I did throw on some lipstick that I left in the bathroom. But this is the same one, just a different shade. I actually used this one first. It's the MAC Matte Liquid Lip Color. This one is in the color So Me. I can't remember what the other one is, but I put this one on first and then I put the other one over top of it for a nude look. That kind of brings everything together.
Oh, that's just fucking popping.
Anyways, this is the final look. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and please share. I'm just starting out and all the love and the support that I'm getting already is just amazing, and I'm so excited to see where it takes me. So please help me get there. Like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you like, let me know what you don't like. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.